Of course, my phone rang. You knew that was going to happen. Important protections under the law. Finishing up here. Under the Fourth Amendment, talking about search and seizure. So you can't just generally search for anything of anybody's anywhere in any place that they own. The search warrant's going to have to be more limited than that. And before you can get a search warrant, remember the judge has to find that there's probable cause to believe that whatever you're looking for will be found in the location that you are trying to search. So there's got to be probable cause. When you're thinking about criminal law, think beyond a reasonable doubt and probable cause. When in doubt, pick one of those answers. The exclusionary rule. So it kind of goes hand in hand with the search warrant that we just talked about, the exclusionary rule. If there's evidence that's obtained in violation of your rights, it's not going to be admissible at trial. So some evidence can be excluded, even if it's harmful to you. It could bring criminal charges. If it was obtained in violation of your rights, it's not going to be admissible, and therefore they're not going to be able to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you committed that crime. Okay, and then don't forget, throughout the criminal process, I remind you a million times, this is prosecuted by a public official. So it's not a private attorney versus a private attorney. It is the Commonwealth of Kentucky who has a public official representing it, bringing those charges against you and prosecuting you for those offenses. And then kind of look over the criminal process. And the main step to remember is the grand jury indictment. So before you ever even get to trial, the accused is going to have to be formally charged, and that happens with a grand jury who hears the evidence and then makes a determination about which charges you should be formally charged with or if they should be dropped altogether.